ब्रह्मणा
Good morning, my students. Welcome to our online class. Dear students, in the previous class, we have learned about the different SGP1 and SGP2. We have also learned comprehension questions, listening activities, vocabulary activities, etc. Now, I am going to teach you the uses activity. Please open your book and go to page number 69. Write the present form of the following verbs. That means you have to write the present form of the verbs. The past form of the verbs are given and one has been done for you. Suppose lived, live. That means lived is the past form and the present form is live. Live, lived. Likewise, met, met is the past form and you have to write the present form. What is the present form of met? Meet. New, know, thought, think. Decided. What is the present form of a decided? Decide. Replied. The present form of a replied is reply. Responded. Respond. Left. The present form of a left is leave. Now, session 6, writing part. Answer the following questions. What is the story about? The story is about two friends. One is rich and the other is poor. Second question. Where did the poor man live? The poor man lived in a village. The poor man lived in a village. What problem did the rich friend have? What problem did the rich friend have? The rich friend had some problem with his ears and he became deaf. The rich friend had some problem with his ears and he became deaf. Why did the rich friend decide to talk less? The rich friend decided to talk less because he did not want his friend to know that he could not hear. The rich friend decided to talk less because he did not want his friend to know that he could not hear. Complete. Now, B question. Stated below is the conversation between sick man and his son. Read and fill in the blanks. Stated below is the conversation between sick man and his son. That means the sick man and his son talked with each other. Fill in the blanks. Son, do you know what happened today? My friend came to see me. He asked, how are you? I said, dash. That means, when my friend asked, "How are you?" what did I say? The sick man told his son about the conversation. So, the answer will be, I said, "I have very bad fever. I cannot sleep at night." But he said, dash. You have to fill the blank. What will be the answer? But he said, that's good. What food are you taking? I was angry. Out of anger, I said, dash. What did the poor friend said when he became angry? Dust of the earth. So, the answer will be dust of the earth. Do you know what he said? He said, that's good for you. And then he asked the name of my doctor. I lost my dash and said, dash. I lost my temper and said, death himself. And said, death himself. And do you know what he said? I hope God will help your doctor with his work. God will help your doctor with his work. Tell me, is he a friend or enemy? Tell me, is he a friend or enemy? The son said, Father, you don't know. Your friend cannot hear. He is deep. His father felt extremely sorry and wrote a letter to his friend. This is all about the class, and in the next class, we will discuss the next topic. Thank you so much.